So I have this industrial lampshade. I don't know if you can see it okay there. I painted the outside bronze. I'll paint the inside white. But I had it together, but it just wasn't going to work with what I'm doing. So I have this piece here. This will go up inside of it. But in order to get it underneath this lean-to, I had to make this box. This box will get attached first, and I'll put a hole in the side, run the power through there. This will get attached to the underside of the lean-to. See that okay? This will get attached to the underside of the lean-to. And then I have this piece here that will be attached to the front. But before I do that, I will have to run this thing through, and that's for those threaded pieces, those nuts that hold this all in place. Hold these two pieces in place. But this all goes around the inside of that lampshade over there in that post, whatever you want to call that funnel looking piece. That'll go down inside of there and then attach to this, and then I will screw, once this is all dry. It split on me. This is cypress, by the way, but once this dries, I'll put some holes in here, and when I get this all together and the line is run and the thing's all hooked up, I'll attach it with screws. So if I ever have a problem with this fitting, I can take it off. So I spray painted using a Rust-Oleum paint. This stuff right here, satin. It's good for metal, and it's white satin, so I think that will be good for underneath. The light will reflect off of it, so it'll be nice. And it's a bronze color that I painted earlier. This is upside down, so keep doing this. So here is the lampshade lamp hung underneath the lean-to. That box is attached to that 4x6 rafter, and there's a hole in it, and you can see the gray cord running from inside the house, which is attached to a Wi-Fi switch, so I can turn it on and off if I'm away, which I like to do that. But it's got a yellow light bulb in it, so it won't draw bugs, and it's about a 60 watt, I believe, so it will easily cover the area there underneath the lean-to. I know this is another quick and short video, but I'm glad you're watching, and I appreciate your time, and please subscribe if you would. It really helps me in the algorithms, I think they're called, with Google. And anyway, thanks for watching.